Assalamualaikum and hi to my lecturer, which is Dr. FAOZI ABDULJALIL GAZEM AL-MAQTARI. My name is NURUL JANI and my metric number is S62582. So, for this video, I will going to preparing the statement of cash flow for individual assignment semester 2 for a subject financial accounting and reporting 1. So, first of all, we need to read the assignment case, which is Sejahtera Student Berat require you to prepare the statement of cash flow for the year ended 31 December 2021. Sejahtera Student Berat provide you a comparative statement of financial position as at year end of 2020 and 2021. A statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 2021 and additional information on current year transactions. So, based on assignment case, we know that we need to prepare the statement of cash flow in direct method. So, first of all, we need to know the format of the statement of cash flow in direct method. So, first of all, we need to state the name of the company, which is Sejahtera Student Berat. So, and then we need to state the name of the statement, which is statement of cash flow. And then we need to state the period of the statement, which is for the year and ended 31 December 2021. And then we need to know the item in the statement of cash flow in direct method, which is first of all is cash flows from operating activities. So first of all is net profit before tax. So this net profit, I got this from a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income in here, and we got this 186,450, and then adjustment for depreciation expense, and this amount I got this from the statement of profit or other comprehensive income in operating expense, which is here. We got this 38,600, and then loss on sale of equipment, which is we got this amount from additional information. The number one is we got this 2,100, and then we got operating profit before working capital change. So we got this as substitute net profit before tax, depreciation expense, and loss on sale of equipment. So we got 227,150, and the decrease in inventories, which is I got this figure from a comparative statement of financial position, which is I got this under current asset inventory, so which is 250,700 minus with 240,600, and we got 10,100. And then decrease in accounts receivable, which is I got this from the statement of financial position 2, and under current asset, which is here I got 80,750 minus with 77,100, and I got this 3,650, and then decrease in prepaid expense. I got this from the comparative statement of financial position 2 under current asset, which is 17,000 minus with 15,100, and we got 1,900. And then decrease in accounts payable. I got this amount from a comparative statement of financial position, but in the current liability, which is we need to 17,750 minus with 102,000. So we got negative 84,250, and then after that we get cash generated from operation, which is we need to substitute all operating before profit before working capital change, decrease in inventories, decrease in account receivable, prepaid expense, and account payables. And we got cash generate from operation, which is 158,550, and then we need to minus with income tax paid, which is I got this figure from statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income under this year income tax expense, and we need to minus to 28,350, and we got here, and then we get net cash from operating activities, which is we need to substitute cash generated from operation and income tax paid. So we got 130,200, and then we need to cash flow from investing activities. So which is proceed from sale of equipment, which is I got this from additional information, the number 2, which is 26,050, and then cash paid for purchase of equipment, which is I got this figure from the additional information too, but in the number 3, which is we need to minus with 43,250, and then we get net cash flow from investing activities, which is we need to substitute here proceed from sale of equipment and cash paid for purchase of equipment, and then we got negative 17,200, and then we need to cash flow from financing activities. So in here we need to dividend paid, which is we need to minus for 53,600, and then is proceed from insurance share capital, which is I got this amount from the additional information too, but we need to 3,000 multiply with 15 ringgit, we got 45,000, and then we need to put a borrowing, which is I got this from the additional information too, but in the number 4, so which is 15,000, and then is cash paid to reduce the long term note payable, so which is I got this from the additional information too, but we need to minus it with additional information number 5, which is 47, we need to minus 47,500, and then we need to substitute all the, and then we get net cash from financing activities, and we need to substitute dividend paid, proceeds for issuance capital, borrowing, and cash paid to reduce the long-term note payables. So we got here is negative 51,100, and then we get net cash, net increase in cash and cash equivalent, which is we to substitute net cash from operating activities, net cash flow from investing activities, we need to plus with net cash from financial activities, and we got 61,900, and then we get a cash and cash equivalent brought forward, so which is you got this figure from the financial position, which is its current assets, which is here, and we get this in 2020 and 61,500, and then we get a cash and cash equivalent balance carry forward. We need to substitute net increase in cash and cash equivalent and cash equivalent brought forward, and we got 123,450, and this is the final solution, and that's all for me. Thank you.